Okay, so what we're going to be doing right now is looking over the Revolution slider. So you're going to click over to the side here, you'll see Slider Revolution. Click that. Close this. So this is what you come to first. Each one of these are sliders that you have created. So if you have more than one slider, they will be here. This what you have is anytime you want to go into it, you will hit the edit, or you can hit the settings, but edit will open it up for you. If you want to create a new slider, you're just going to hit here, and we'll go over that a little later. And then you can add a slider from a template, or you can import a slider. So the first thing we're going to do is look at how we have this set up. So we're going to hit the edit tab, the blue square, and it's going to bring us to this page, and you have slide 1. If you want to add a blank slide, another, that's how you would do it, add blank slide, which means this would move from that one to this one, so they go in order. So this is the same slider, but it's set up with different slides inside of it. So what you're going to see here is main background, general settings, thumbnail, slide animation, link and SEO, slide info, and nav override. The only one I'm going to go over for you right now at this introduction tutorial is the main background image, and if you want to set it to transparent or video, you could change the source settings to whatever. And as you look down, you have the actual window of what your slider is. So let's just take this out. All right, so after you have your main slider, which is right here, this is obviously the background image of this. Then you have a timeline right here, which has things fading in or fading out if you put actions to each element. So it does work with actions. So we can go to an object library, and we can put different things in here, you know, like add an object layer, and different things like that. You can explore that. We can also add layers here, so text, image, audio, video, button, shape, object, import. So you can definitely go through here and add layers of different things, and the layers start to stack down here in this layers palette. So the first, though, we're going to get into that later. The first thing is just switching in and out images. So if you go up to the top here, we'll go over this animation, the loop, the visibility, the behavior, the actions, and the parallax 3D. We can go over all of that later. But basically, just to show you, we have on the visibility here, you click visibility. And this is actually the background. So the background is going to be visible on all devices. And what we have here is this image 2 layer, which is right here. And if we click on that, you can see the visibility is just on a tablet and a mobile phone. It's off on laptop and desktop. Now, there is a little glitch. I can't really figure out why, but when you click on this, this is a tablet and this is a mobile phone. So I have this scoot over. It will remember what you did for each one. So this is the phone, this is the tablet, and this is the desktop, but it's showing that picture. This is just an overlay. The only reason it's showing right here is because I have that selected. So I want to show you really without that how this works. So you're supposed to just see the window here. So you see how it just chopped it down when I put on the tablet, and then how it made it skinnier on the phone. So that's how you're supposed to be able to see it. And what I was doing was I was just looking at that square and then eyeing it, seeing if it fit in that square. For some reason, I should be seeing that square, so that's something I have to look into why it's not doing that. To let me know, you know, to let me know where that's at. Okay, so anytime you move anything inside of each one of these, it will keep that. So one thing we want to do is, let's just look at this and let's say, okay, I want to change that image slide out. So you just go to here, click on Media Library on Main Background Image, and you're going to come to the Media Library, and you can just, all you have to do is select one of your images and hit Insert. Once that happens, that picture will come up right here. Now, if you want to change the mobile image, what I basically did is, you can visible do it, and let's see, hit edit, and once you hit edit, you can replace it with a different image. So if I hit this and hit insert, it would totally replace it, but it stretches it the way it was. So the same images, but you can take it and you can kind of unstretch it and stuff like that. Now you could do that, or you could do it this way. Let's see, edit, undo. I'm trying to figure out where the undo is on so it's basically hit edit and then put that picture back, insert. So there it is, and save slide. Now another way you can do it is you can just delete this, trash it, but I'm going to cancel it, and you can just hit up here, add layer, and add image. Pick the image and then scoot it around, play with it. You can move it around on the screen and see what it looks like. So that's pretty much how you just change the images. Like I said, there's going to be, the next one we're going to go over is how to add text and different objects over top of it. But this will get you started for now.